Welcome boys. In this video we're going to be replacing the bump stop in our 2003 Dodge Dakota. I noticed the other day when I was under here replacing the wheel bearings and the CV axles and the axle seals, we have a disintegrated bump stop, non-existent. So what's supposed to happen is when your suspension travels and the control arm goes up too far into the frame, you have this nice cushy bump stop in the way that stops it from this piece striking this piece. So, since half the work's already done for us, we simply stick our fingers in here and get rid of any of the remnants of our old bump stop, which is a disintegrated mess. Okay, all the old stuff is out, gone. That's what's left of it. And then we take our new bump stop, and we got these little fingers in here that will grip onto this spot and keep it in place. So we just insert and twist around a little, squish it. There we go. Alright, new bump stop installed. Same procedure for the passenger side. So hopefully this helps. Hopefully this encourages you to replace these nasty rotted out bump stops so you don't feel any hard knocks when you hit the bumps. Thanks for watching, boys. Catch you in the next one. Peace.